Today I'm excited to showcase some amazing accessories that I got with my Akaso V50 Pro, and I'll show you how to use these. So first up we have this waterproof case, and here's how it works. Simply open it up like so, and you'll notice it's designed to securely encase your camera. Next up, we have this yellow water float with us. It serves as a buoy for your camera, safeguarding it from potential water damage or loss. Notice the blue ribbon attached. You can utilize it to secure your camera to your wrist, preventing accidental drops while in use. And additionally, the black accessories you see here are primarily meant to extend the camera reach. They enable you to experiment with these different angles and heights, ensuring you capture the perfect shot. Plus there's always an extra screw provided that can be used with these accessories, so you can play around according to your need and get the shot that you want. This extra cover for waterproof case is also available in case if you break yours. Moving ahead, we have some additional items here. Extra charging case and lens cleaner for your camera. Also there are some zip ties included. Let's set these aside for a moment and focus on what's next. Here we have a smart watch that can be synchronized with your camera to create photos or videos. Additionally, there's a cover provided that allows you to attach it to other aforementioned black accessories, ensuring your camera stays secure and you get the angle that you require. Typically this setup is used on helmets or when you're mounting your camera on bike's handlebars. I'll demonstrate how to do this shortly. When using your camera without cover, this small piece becomes crucial. Essentially, it serves to securely fasten and screw into the camera. As you can see, I already have this part integrated into my tripod, eliminating the need for an additional piece to fit onto the camera. However, since the tripod is specific to me, it's not included in the package. Let me demonstrate the other handles available. For instance, this suction cup where you can affix to car window necessitates the use of small piece. You'll need to attach it here, then securely screw it into the camera to achieve the desired outcome. Here you'll notice that the flexibility it offers in adjusting the camera to suit your preferences. It allows for backward and forward tilting, basically enabling you to fine-tune its position to your liking. Feel free to experiment with different angles until you achieve the desired setup. Moving on, we have this accessory designed primarily for mounting a camera onto your bicycle or motorcycle's handlebar. To attach it, simply unscrew one side, then repeat the process for other. You can make it just a bit loose, but don't open it fully, and I'll show you how I have fitted on the scooty. Next, I'll demonstrate the component used to securely attach the camera to a helmet. You'll receive two straps along with this accessory. Here's how you adjust the loops and effectively secure the camera in place. Allow me to walk you through the process. Finally, I'll demonstrate how to position the camera securely on your head. Just to clarify, ignore the fluffy toy. I'm going to attach the strap to its head, and then all you need to do is place the camera onto the accessory and tighten the screw, and you're ready to roll.